Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see error on your iPhone, challenge require when you use Instagram. So also you just need to verify your account after, so you just need to verify it by your phone number or by your email. So this is the way how you can also fix it, but when it won't show you any challenge, so you won't see your email or phone number. So just try to close app and open it again. And also check your internet connection. Sometimes it can be caused by bad internet connection, so just go to your Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. If you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on mobile data. And also turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down. Just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.